Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Honda CRV. It comes with 48,935 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We're going to take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Something I want to point out is to open the trunk, you have to push this, then open the glass, and then open the bottom hatch. These seats do stow away to create more cargo room. It does come with interior hanging rails as well on both sides. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. Once we start the vehicle, the lights do go away. The number that you're seeing up top, 78,755, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 48,935. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle, starting on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161.